Alrighty, so hi, this is Erin O'Neill, and I am going to talk you through questions 5, 6, and 7 on my quiz 4. So let's get there. Okay, question 5. So I found the magnitude and direction of the force from the positive Q and negative Q charges on big Q charged 150 UCs or I think that's a new C, at position C by, I had already found what the electric field was at position C as it related to negative and positive Q, which is the previous equation, 5.25 times 10 to the 6 newtons coulombs per coulombs. And so then I found the force that the new charge would feel by the equation F equals Q times E, electric field. And so since charge is scalar, force is a vector, and so is the electric field, I know that the electric field is going to be pointing in the same direction as the force, and that when I multiply, as you can see here, electric field by this new force, I get the new magnitude, 787.5 newtons coulombs. And like I said, same direction, so it's going left. All right, and so then let's see. Number 6, I'm drawing a free body diagram for the electron when it was in the field. The forces that exist in this field are just electric forces. So as far as I'm aware. And so as you can see, there's the positive plate and the negative plate, and then the negative electron in the middle. So because like charges, what's the word? Go away, go apart. Shoot, I forget that word. Well, opposites attract and like charges go. Opposites attract and like charges resist or whatever. And so because of that, the electric field will be forcing the electron up. So yeah, so the forces are up. And then for Newton's second law, the net force is equal to mass times acceleration. And here, the net force is really just going to be the force of the electron, because as you can see from the FPD, that's all we got going. And so F net of the x values, since there is no acceleration in the x direction, that's 0. So it's all going to be the y values of the acceleration, which is Fe. Excuse me. And so, yeah, I think that wraps it up. Thanks for listening.